Hi, it's Alice, and I'm back again to talk about my trading strategies for today. What I want to do is to talk to you about the stocks that I was watching and for the setups that I wanted to enter. The two that I was most interested in were VRTX on the long side and IBM on the short side. Let's take a look. Ah, yes, VRTX opened way above its previous close. It closed at 132 and opened at 161. Let's take a look at what was happening pre-market here. Ah, yes, well, we can see from 8 o'clock it was really tumbling down here. And we can see at 9:25 it made a huge move down here from 165 down to almost 160.50. So I got in here right around the open of 161, and it was great. I rode it up to about 164, and that was good because then it quickly turned around and went down. It went back up for a little while, but then it just fell off a cliff. I took another short position here around 164, and I rolled this down to about 159. That was a great trade. Let's take a look at the other one that I was interested in, IBM. We saw that that was tumbling after hours last night after disappointing earnings. Let's look at this pre-market. Ah, yes, we can see here from around 8 o'clock all the way to almost 9:30, it was rising up. I thought this was great, and so I put in an order to short here right at 150.55, and I got filled, and I rode this down to about 149. That was great. Then a little later, after it made its new low around 9:50, I got in around 147.50, and I rolled this up just a little bit to 148. A small trade, but that was good. Another one which I entered today is another one of my favorites, which is LABO. LABO, like dust, are very reliable trades. And let me show you what I did with LABO. LABO opened way above its previous close. It closed around 65 and it opened up almost to 68. When something like that happens, the good way to play this is to let it open, let it spike up, and let it drop down to a nice whole number. And so I think that I let it drop down to here right around 67, and then it's good to go for a whole dollar. I took it all the way up to 68. That was a nice $1 move. Let me show you another one that was interesting today, but I did not play. And that's one of my favorite windows here, up $1 any price. We can see here at 9:31, this stock here, NTRS, was up $1. It had opened down 6%. So if we had gotten in here, right as it made its high at 92.50, we could have ridden this all the way down almost to $87. That would have been a great trade too. So anyway, those were some of the good trades for today. I hope you had a great day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good night.